Hello and welcome to the Daily Fabric Fondle here at Cottonweed's Quilt Shop in Freeport, Maine. Today, come around this way. Today is an unboxing. We've got a box of fabric right here. Michelle, what's inside?
Things from Elizabeth's studio.
Oh, Elizabeth's studio. They look like they are Maine-themed.
Ooh, puffins. Fun.
Cute.
Fun.
Yeah, so here's our clouds. One pattern that would feature these fabrics nicely is... So this is Curve Appeal. We made it with loon fabric, but the puffins would look cute in that. Little sea glass maybe around them.
Oh, that would be cute.
So Table Grace's pattern, Curve Appeal pattern, great for this new fabric we just got in. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Fabric Fondle.